welcome in, y'all. Salon Diva V in the place to be. My garden. So this is a continuation to the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. So what I'm doing is I'm just opening up my peat pellets that I purchased, and I soaked them in this container. This is just a croissant container that we got from HEB. And the peat pellets came in a pack of, I don't know if it was 24, but they came like this. Ordered them from Amazon. I have it linked in the description box. So what we're gonna do is, the first one, I'm just gonna scrape a little bit from these first two, or maybe I'll do 3. And I'm gonna do some butter crunch lettuce. And how are y'all doing today? I hope your guys' holiday was amazing. Hope you got to spend time with your loved ones. If I can get this open. I didn't open it right, so let's see. I'm just gonna tear it right there on the corner. I take out a couple of seeds. And this is butter crunch lettuce. So I'm just gonna take a few and drop in there. I think that was like 3 of them. And then I'm going to just take the soil and press it down like that. Just like that. Make sure they're nice and covered. All right. And that is our butter crunch lettuce. Then the next one, I think we're going to do, we're going to do some pak choi. Open these up. We're going to open that soil up also. Scrape it back like that. And we're going to take our seeds. Ooh, take a couple of them out of there and just sprinkle them in. And this is our pak choi. And I am putting a lot in here. Okay. That is our pak choi. So we got our butter crunch lettuce first, then our pak choi, and then we're gonna do our black seeded Simpson lettuce in here. And then we'll be done. Make sure we clean up our mess. All right. The black seeded Simpson lettuce. We're going to spray that throughout. Just like that. And then we're going to take it and we're going to cover it up with the soil that we opened up. Making sure it gets good contact with the soil. And we also want to press it down. And we didn't press these in, did we? We did not. All right, so that is our lettuce. And then the last 4 are right here. We'll open that up. And then do we want to do Swiss chard, mustard greens? Let's do some mustard greens. This is the green wave mustard greens. All right. And then we're going to pack them in like so. And then we will make a label and then we will be done. All right. So now we're going to clean up our mess. All right, y'all. So I have everything labeled. I have my butter crunch lettuce, my pak choy, my black seeded Simpson lettuce, and my green wave mustard greens. I'm going to go in and put a couple more holes in here so we can get some air to go in there and have that greenhouse effect. And I have my seeds started. All right, y'all. So that is it for the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Salon Diva V, in the place to be, y'all. Peace.